Introducing the new hyper-realistic hologram system, redefining immersive experiences. In a sleek, compact design that renders reality in ultra-high resolution. Miirage performs in brightly lit environments, delivering the most vibrant holographic illusions. Equipped with locational audio and an earth-shattering bass to accentuate movements and visual effects. Add another dimension with live interaction. Let your audience control the show. Miirage has fully interactive capabilities, so let your imagination run wild. Rock out with a pop star, or amaze your audience with live motion capture 3D characters who interact with your audience in real time, merging physical and virtual realities. The modular system is fully scalable to go as big as your imagination can stretch. Completely customizable with countless branding possibilities. Built-in rotating wheels make it a breeze to transport. The self-contained system enables fast and efficient on-site setup, so you can plug and play and walk away. Miirage is committed to being one of the greenest products in the industry, consuming minimal power yet delivering a powerful performance. It's the full package, and the possibilities are endless. Miirage. Let the experience begin.